Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to transfer from Webmoney to Binance. Go to the bank transfer service website and log in with your WMID. Enter the transfer funds tab, then select recipient's country. Specify the amount, transfer currency and click start. The request for a new transfer form will be displayed next. You will need to fill in the required fields in the form, such as the receiver's bank branch and the receiver's bank account. The bottom part of the form displays detailed information about the transfer, the amount to pay, the amount to receive, and the service fee. You need to click on the Create button to initiate the transfer. The WMZ Certificate Sales Agreement will be displayed next. After you have read the agreement and in the case you agreed to all provisions of the agreement, you need to click on the Accept button to continue. Confirm the payment at the merchant website. You can track the status of your transfer on the My Transfers page. On the other tab, log into your Binance account and go to Buy Crypto. Click Deposit. Select your currency and choose Bank Transfer. Then click Continue. If you haven't completed identity verification for your Binance account, you will be prompted to do so at this step. You will then be asked to add your bank account information if you haven't done so. Enter the amount you want to deposit and you will see the transaction fee. Click Continue. Read the important notes and click OK to confirm. Make a transfer from the bank you registered in step 5 to the bank account shown on the page. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.